Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's dig in. Today I would like to show you Hosta plantaginea Aphrodite. It's a double form of the normal plantaginea, and it does have sterile flowers because I don't see any stamens or anthers or style. And I have to put these plants in shade because they seem to dislike sunshine, so much so that the buds are burning. And the garden is a mess right now. I need to weed and do a lot of things, but unfortunately I have a day job and a weekend job, so I'm not going to be able to do that. But I would like to show you another flower which I was really happy to have. The lilies have been taken care of, at least the seed pods. So this is Zantedeschia aethiopica Pink Flamingo, and you can see it has a lovely salmon colored bud, and the flower will open salmon colored, and in the high UV in Hungary it will fade to apricot color. And I was looking for this plant for quite a long time now, about 10 years, so I'm very happy to have it, and I hope I'm going to show you the open flower soon. Zantedeschia aethiopica likes to flower in the autumn, winter and early springtime because it needs some cool weather and not in the heat of the summer. But yeah, thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.